Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn about water in chapter 17 of EVS. Water is essential for life. The next basic need for living things is water. Just like air, we all need water to live. Like us, even plants and animals need water to live. Uses of water. We need water for a lot of activities. Let us see what we need water for. It is used for cooking. It is used for drinking. It is used for washing. It is used for cleaning. It is used for bathing. It helps to put out fire. Animals need water to drink and clean themselves. Plants need water to live and grow too. Have you noticed how plants die when we do not water them for a few days? Sources of water. Where do we get water from? We get water mainly from rain. The rainwater collects in rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. We get water from many sources such as lakes, springs, wells, rivers, ponds, rain, seas and oceans. Water is also found under the ground. We dig a well to take out this underground water. We take out this water by using a hand pump and tube well. We store water in tanks on the roof in our house. Pipes bring this water to our taps. At home, when we open a tap, the water comes out. Drink clean water. Before we drink water, we must make sure that it is clean or else we can get sick. Do not waste water. Water is precious. Do not waste it. Keep the tap closed when you are not using it. Place a bucket under leaking pipes to collect the water. Use the water with which we wash vegetables to water the plants in the garden. We should always keep the sources of water clean. We should not throw waste into rivers, ponds and lakes.